Second working set natin, Miss Lilac, ano tayo? Kailangan natin ng bar. So, yung black mo or yung Olympic bar. Pero the best sana kung yung Olympic bar meron na ring resistance na nakalagay. So, first exercise natin, clean and press. Then, after nun, squats tayo. Tapos, shift tayo sa dumbbells na bicep curl and tricep extension. So, pakita natin. And thumbs, gazing sa thigh. Okay, so, ito yung deadlift grip natin. Overhand grip. Alright, so, bend ng konti sa knees. Lift. Pagtayo, lift natin agad yung bar. Lift. Okay, pag nandito na sa upper chest, ikot yung elbows. Rotate, go under the bar. Bend ng konti sa knees. Tapos, press all the way up, overhead. Catch. Tapos, bend, release. Make sure malapit na malapit yung bar sa katawan. Alright, so 5 repetitions lang dito. So, pakita ko, profile. Lift, push, down, reset. Okay, breathing natin. Inhale, tapos exhale pagtaas. Inhale muna sa pag-prepare. Lift, exhale, tapos press, push, catch, release. Okay, pakita natin ng walang weights para makita yung... Okay, so from here, okay, so maganda kung mag-start ka rin muna pala sa bar. Okay. So again, from here, start tayo sa legs. Bend ng konti. Pagtayo, quick lift, sabay. Tapos, elbow goes under the bar. Okay, check. Hindi lumayo yung bar sa akin. Hindi ko ginanon. Okay, kailangan natin malapit sa katawan. Go under. Pag go under natin, pag rotate ng elbow, bend yung knees. Catch the weight, the resistance. Hindi gaganon ha. Check yung likod. Keep it like that, flat. And then press. Pag press, tayo lang tayo. Alright? Tapos catch. Catch. Reset. Okay? Again, nakaharap. Bend. Lift. Go under bar. Press overhead. Catch. Reset. Okay. And buong posterior chain natin. So, buong katawan natin ma-workout dito. So, 5 repetitions. Okay, after na clean and press natin, so, hingal, hingal, hingal. Isa pang clean and press. Okay, so lift, go under, push. Ngayon, lagay natin sa upper back. Okay, sa meatiest part ng shoulders natin. Check. Squats tayo. Alright. Squats tayo po. Now, lift chest, shoulders back. Lagyan natin sa may traps. Inhale down. Exhale up. As usual, okay, butt goes back. Knees tracing your toes, open. So, inhale down, slow, slow, slow. Quick ng konti sa pagtaas. 5 repetitions. Up. Pagtanggal naman ng bar, okay, i-rock na lang natin sa squat rock niyo po. So, right after the squats, switch tayo agad sa dumbbells natin. Ngayon, 10 pounds na yung kailangan natin na dumbbell. Okay, so minimum natin po sana is 10 pounds. So, bicep curls tayo. So, from here, twist. Okay. Yung rotating na bicep curls natin. So, inhale, exhale up. Again, no swinging. Abs brace. Shoulders back. And chest out. Okay. So, 10 repetitions. Ngayon, switch tayo. Sabay din niya. Down. Elbows up. So, row position, hold natin to. Extend. Extend yung kamay. Focusing our triceps. Okay po. So, check. Hindi nagsuswing yung elbows. Keep it up there. Check the elbows. So, exhale. Inhale down. Okay. So, yun po yung second working set natin. 4 exercises, Miss Lilac. And then again, rest natin is 30 seconds to 2 minutes maximum. And then 4 sets sana tayo.